Hello everyone, it's me Aman Rathore and you are watching to my YouTube channel IT Paradigm. So in this video we will be learning that how can we insert the objects like this in MS Excel spreadsheet software. So here in the screen you can see there is a part of presentation software, which is the screen of a slide of presentation software. So if we click on this box, we can see, let's open it. Okay, so we can see a presentation is here. We can edit it and we can present it very easily. Next, we can change the pages also. So this is how we can insert the object in MS Office spreadsheet, and above it we have a part of MS Word. Here you can see this is the part of MS Word, and if we double click on this part, you can see the changes that within the Excel tab. You can see in the left corner within the Excel tab there are all the features of MS Word, and we can edit it here, our MS Word document. Now if I click outside this box, it will again convert to MS Excel. Similarly, we have its icon here also. We can double click on this icon to open an updated, or we can say previous MS Word document like this. Double click on it. Now you can see MS Word window is open. We can edit it here and can close it. Similarly, we have a PowerPoint application icon also here. So they all work like same. Isn't it interesting? So the next is how can you or how can we insert these type of object in MS Excel spreadsheet. So let me open a new sheet. This is sheet 3, and go on insert tab, and in the right side we get a very tiny option, the object. This is a very small option, so click on it and you can see a window like this will appear on your screen. अब यहाँ पे हमको ढेर सारे ऑप्शंस मिल जाते हैं. यहाँ पे हमारे पास है Adobe Acrobat डॉक्यूमेंट, बिटमैप इमेजेस, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, WorldPad. यहाँ पे काफी सारे सॉफ्टवेयर्स हैं जो कि आप इस एक्सेल शीट में लगा सकते हैं. तो इस बार हम लोग एक WorldPad डॉक्यूमेंट सिलेक्ट करते हैं, क्योंकि MS Word और MS PowerPoint तो हमने पिछली स्लाइड में कर दिया था. इस बार हम लोग WorldPad डॉक्यूमेंट हम लोग इस शीट में, शीट 3 में इंसर्ट करेंगे. तो सिलेक्ट कर लिया हम लोग ने. अब उसके बाद एक ऑप्शन है डिस्प्ले एज आइकन. इसका मतलब क्या है कि हम जो वो WordPad इंसर्ट कर रहे हैं उसको आइकन की तरह शो करना है या उसका बस एक पार्ट शो करना है. तो इस बार हम लोग आइकन नहीं सिलेक्ट करते हैं एंड क्लिक ऑन ओके. A WordPad window will appear like this, and we can insert our data here. Like this option is very useful when you are working with Excel and you need other applications also, and without opening that application you can use those applications within this Excel sheet. Here you can update the data related to that Excel sheet like this. Okay, now let's close this, and you can see here the part of WordPad. Because we did not select the display as icon option, so it is appearing as a part of WordPad. Again, if I double click on it, a WordPad window will appear. And again we have more options. Let's see one more example here. Insert the object, and we have here bitmap image. So if we want to insert any paint image in this Excel sheet, so we have option bitmap image. This time we will be showing it as an icon. Select the tick box. It is saying display as icon, and it will look like this, and click on OK. Now a paint window appears. We can draw something here. And let's close this. Now you can see a bitmap icon, a paint icon is here, and if I double click on it, it will take us to the paint window. Interesting. And also we can display it as a part of the screen, like insert object bitmap image and click on OK. If I write here something that is IT paradigm and close this, it will show as this. Now it is like a part of that window. So enjoy this option. There are a lot more options available in that object window. So to reduce the time while working on Excel, you can use these options and you can insert the object, take their advantages so that you मतलब कि आप लोग को बाकी सारे एप्लीकेशन पे बार बार ना जाना पड़े। इंग्लिश थोड़ी सी वीक है, कोई बात नहीं, लेकिन काम चल रहा है, उतना ही बहुत है। अगेन बस इतना ही है। सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो एंड स्टे ट्यून्ड फॉर मोर वीडियोस लाइक दिस। ये तो हो गया। और अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हैं तो चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब करें, थोड़ी सी मोटिवेशन मिलती है और भी ज़्यादा वीडियो बनाने के लिए। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग द फुल वीडियो, दैट्स ऑल।